Hello everyone, in the previous video you learned about the physical quantities and different ways to measure a length, and today we are going to learn about motion. So first of all, what is a motion? Motion is a change with time to the position of an object. It means when an object changes its place with some movement. That means anything that shows movement, that means this particular thing is in motion. Okay, for example, a man is walking, a rocket is going upward, and these planets are revolving around the sun. So these all are the things are in motion. Okay, and the next one we have types of motion. So we have a lot of things around us, and they show different kind of movements, they show different kind of motions. So objects move in various ways. So let's see what can be the different ways of motion. So the first one we have translatory motion. So what does it mean? Translatory motion, that means when all the parts of a particular object move through a same distance in the same interval of time. That means here time is same, and even the intervals also. So this type of motion is called translatory motion, and this kind of motion is of two types further. The first one we have linear motion, that means rectilinear motion, and the another one we have circular, that is curvilinear motion. So linear motion, that means when an object moves in a straight line. For example, a car is moving on a straight road. So this is the example of linear motion. This car is moving in the linear path. So the next one we have curvilinear or circular motion. When an object moves along a curved path. Okay, that means it has a fixed path. For example, an athlete is running in the tracks. The next one we have rotational motion. So what does it mean? Rotation, that means something when moves around a fixed path on a axis. So this kind of motion is known as rotational motion. So let's see what happens here. So rotational motion, that means when an object moves around the fixed path on a particular axis of that object. Okay, for example, earth, it rotates on its axis. Okay, and this axis is just imaginary line, and when this earth moves around this axis, this is known as rotational motion. Okay, next one we have periodic motion. If the same motion occurs again and again, it is known as repetitive motion, and repetitive motion is known as periodic motion. And this motion, so repetitive motion that repeats itself at regular interval of time, that is called periodic motion. Okay, so for example, a ball tied to a string is known as pendulum. For example, earth is revolving around the sun with a fixed period of time. That means like for example, it takes 1 year to move around the sun. So this time is fixed, right? So the next one we have non-periodic motion. So what happens here? Repetitive motion that does not occur at a regular intervals of time. So here repetition occurs, but the time interval is not same as in the periodic motion. Okay, in this video two boys are swinging, and the first one is slow and the another one is fast. So both the motions are in different speeds, but the repetitive motion is present in both the things. Okay, so it shows that non-periodic motion. So in this, time interval is not same for the both, but repetitive, the repetition is same for the both. So students, here our chapter completes, and in the next video we will come with a new chapter.